guys, my name is Sarah. I work here at Splosh in the product team, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble the 8-piece Coaster CDU, counter display unit. So as you can see, I've laid out all of my pieces to make it easier. And what you want to do is start off with piece 1 and fold it on its side, and fold up the side pieces to join up with the bottom. And you'll take this tab and place it into the slot just like that. Then you'll do the same on the other side. This is what it will look like when both sides are folded in. Then you'll take the side tabs on this front piece and fold them in like that, pop them out of the way, and you'll fold these ones in like that. Then what you want to do is you'll fold the front piece down like this, making sure that the side pieces are inside of it, and folding all the way down to meet the slots at the front. Once your front piece is assembled, you'll fold in the sides just like this. And place them into the tabs that are down the bottom. You'll then take the middle insert, open it up like this so it sits flush, and take this piece, that'll be our center piece. You'll then take these flat pieces that'll sit into the slots at the front like this, and you'll pop this one in the center and do the same on this side. You'll then do the same up the front here with these slots as well. You'll then take your outer piece, fold in these side tabs, and join it up with the middle insert. Just like that. You'll then push it all the way to the back till it sits nice and flat. This piece here lays over the top of the middle insert. What you want to do is fold where the creases are. Once you fold along the creases, it'll look something like this. And this back piece here will line up with these slots here. Then you'll fold the front down. Will look like this. You'll then take these pieces here, which are our dividers, and fold them in half just like this, and line them up with these slots. I'll do the same on the other one. That's what it looks like once all of your dividers are in. You'll then place these pieces here that act as our boosters to lift the stock up in the back row. And there you have it, guys. Your fully assembled 6-piece Coaster counter display unit. Thanks for watching.